For the viewers who own Amazon Fire TV, this video is for you. I will talk about 5 hidden features that a lot of people don't know about Fire TV. Do subscribe our channel, like the video and share it with your friends and family who own the Fire TV device. Don't skip the video, watch complete to know all hidden features of Fire TV. Viewers, the feature number 1 is instant reboot. Why you want to do that? What does that mean? Instant reboot is the full restart of your Fire TV stick. When your Fire TV have background issues, it cleans up the background issues. If your Fire TV stick slow down apps, sometimes frozen apps and screens, this will clear cache and makes your Fire TV really fast. This can be done by Fire TV stick remote. It is very easy and simple. Take a close look at your remote. You will have to select and play button in the center of the remote. How to do instant reboot is by holding select and play button at the same time for 5 seconds. It will restart your Fire stick. Now I will do this. Kindly focus on my TV screen. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there you go. Your Fire TV stick 4K is powering off. This will bring your Fire TV stick into entire restart. This will fix slow apps loading, frozen apps and screens. If it doesn't work, another option is to unplug it from the wall, wait for 30 seconds and then plug it back. It will have the same function. But it's easy to just use from your remote. Here you can see it's already restarting. The result is amazing. All the apps are loading very fast. Cursor moves really faster. On the screen, as you can see that it's just really a nice way to fix the issues. The second hidden features I am sharing with you is your Fire TV stick is a mini computer. What this means? This means that you can use the same functions you can do to the computers. You can browse social media, stream movies on big screens using Fire Stick. It's very easy and quickly. How can you get a browser on your Fire Stick? Go to Find, then press Search, enter browser and this is it. I recommend getting Internet Browser by Amazon. That's the Amazon Silk browser because it is designed for Fire TV stick. Some people say it's difficult to use remote for pressing keys on browser, but actually you can use a Bluetooth keypad, Bluetooth mouse to use with your Fire stick. The browser on the Fire stick really enhances your fun experience. Third hidden feature of your Fire TV stick is you can connect Bluetooth devices to it. It will allow multiple devices to be connected. There are so many uses of this. You can use remote pad to increase the browsing capability. You can connect headphone that will not disturb the whole family watching your favorite movie. You can use surround sound speakers to enhance the movie experience. By using all these Bluetooth devices, this means no wires. Let me show you how to do this. Go to Fire TV stick settings option, go down to controller and Bluetooth devices. If you want to add any other Bluetooth devices like speakers, headphones, any other gear, then press OK. Press OK on add Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth will scan all available devices, just add it. Viewers, the fourth hidden features of your Fire Stick TV is they won't tell you is the text banner. Basically, when you are looking for your favorite movie or a show, all you see the little icons place on the screen. Place the cursor on the highlight the movie you want the detail. Then by holding and pressing the fast forward and fast rewind button from your remote at the same time for 3 seconds. Watch on your TV. What it does, viewers? 1, 2, 3. Whatever you have highlighted, I have highlighted the Knowing movie. It's a 2009 movie. If you click the menu button on your Fire TV remote, you will have options. You have Watch Now with Prime, Watch Trailer, Add to Watch List, Remove from the list. You can do anything on this menu. This will work all for the same icons displaying on the list. It's really a nice feature, viewers. How you can get out of this, viewers? Same thing you have started. Just press and hold the fast forward and remind button from your Fire TV remote. This is called text banner. Viewers, the last but not the least, the fifth hidden feature of the Fire TV stick is it is a huge one. Do you know you can control your Fire TV device without remote? Why you want to do this? Because there are a couple of reasons. One is that if unintentionally you have broken your remote by dropping, or if your remote battery dies suddenly and you want to use your TV stick, just use this app. This doesn't cost anything. You can get this app in the App Store, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android phone. This is simply free. I will show you how to get this app on the mobile screen. Watch carefully. Type Amazon Fire TV on your app search menu, and Fire TV Amazon application will pop up. Now you can click on Get. It will install on your phone. This app really works fine, viewers. The only complaint in this app is it doesn't control the volume. The app is really handy, but it is a really nice feature if you are using Fire TV browser. You can actually control with your phone through app, and also you can use voice search option through this app. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, viewers. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks.